So I pre-ordered the Milwaukee track saw probably 2 months ago, a month and a half ago, as soon as it was announced. I ordered this from Acme Tools, and then of course as soon as they got it in, it shipped and got here within 2 days. So that's a super fast shipping, and I'm kind of excited to give it a try. I've had the Festool track saw, cordless track saw, for a while now, and I really like it a lot. First and foremost, I do appreciate that they put this in a proper box, similar to the Festool, which is up here in that sustainer they call them. This is a pack out box, so this is my first pack out box actually, so it comes with the track saw inside, and that is awesome. It is a massive box. Look at the size of that box. Should have the track saw inside. Let's find out. Very well made, very sturdy feeling box. I like the side handles here, or the rails on the sides. Not sure if there's a purpose for those, but I do like that it gives it that added protection on the corners. Much long awaited track saw from Milwaukee. A lot of people have been waiting on this thing for years, and they finally decided to come out with one. Let's see what's in the box. Instruction manuals. I mean, who reads those? Blade on top. This is a 6.5 inch blade. It's a 40 tooth, and it says track saw finish, whatever that means. We got M18 batteries and an M18 battery charger inside. This is an M18 rapid charger as well, so if you're into that. And this is another double charger that I already have one, but this is a double charger to charge the M12 and M18 batteries. This nice hard foam here is going to keep everything protected. I like that it's built into the inside of this box. Very well thought out in my opinion. Comes with one battery. This is the M18 high output 6.0, XC 6.0. I wish it came with two. The Festool cordless track saw comes with two, so we'll see how the power stacks up against them when I do the review. It's well balanced. It's not overly heavy. It's a very nice feeling in the hand. Just overall first impression is nice. Metal, nice. The Festool dust hose will connect directly into the dust extraction part, or you can use the bag. It's just a friction fit, but it'll work. It'll also run on the Festool track with a small caveat, which I'll cover in the full review. But there is a minor difference in the Festool track and the Milwaukee track. This may cause issues later down the road if you're trying to intermix those. It'll also go from -1 up to 48 degrees, and the markings are all nicely laid out. I like the depth stop. It works well. There's also a positive stop at 22.5. Just to get to that -1, you just use that button right there. It's going to drop it to -1. Same thing for going up to 48. As far as cut power and quality, it did well for me in the first few tests. I'll have more on the full review. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, bell icon, so you do not miss that. Dust extraction, we got more to test on that. My kit came with one 55-inch track and this carrying case, which I thought was very nice. And you can put 2 tracks in this case, so if you want to pick another one up later, you can. It's great for job site to job site transport. So my overall first impression of the Milwaukee track saw is it's nice, but this is my opinion. They should have included one more battery for the $865, over $900 after taxes. Come on, please. Also, I think that I need to test the dust extraction a little more, as we saw, and there's a few other things like battery life and stuff like that I'm going to be testing out, which will be in the full review. Be sure and subscribe so you don't miss it. But in the meantime, click that box to watch the Festool full review so you can make an informed decision before buying this one. Clicking the box gets you the big old virtual fist pump. Also, Craig versus Win versus Festool track saws. Go check that one out.